Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaga's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a side dish, and it's scalloped potatoes, which I'm sure you're very familiar with. Everybody, there's no such recipe as a solid recipe for scalloped potatoes. Everybody can put their own name on it, as this is Gagajoy's scalloped potatoes, because scalloped potatoes is up to you what you put in it. I've been cooking all morning, so I made a meatloaf, so this is going to be my side dish. And also I'm adding a little bit of ham to it. And my son cut my potatoes up for me. I'm going to layer them. You know, sometimes you get tired of cooking the same things every day, and then you think of something like this and you know it's going to be a little bit different for the day. Okay, I'm going to do a layer of potatoes. I'm going to put a layer of ham. I just chopped it up in little pieces. It was left over from another day, so I just did that. And we're going to put a layer of cheese. This is my Colby mild cheese. I'm going to put a few little onions, green onions in here, like that. And a couple dollops of sour cream. That will soon spread out. Okay. Now come the potatoes again. Let me put a little bit of salt with that one. Bit of pepper too. We have my peppers on the blink today, so we'll go with the salt. Here we go with ham, cheese, put a few more little onions, a little bit more sour cream, okay, this will be our last one. My son used this grater here for the first time, and it did keep the potatoes all one little thickness. So that will probably help too. Okay, now let's put our slice of our ham. Let me put a little bit more salt. Slice of the ham. This will be the slice of the cheese. Now to top it off, we're going to add milk. This is 2%. You could use whole milk. It's not a good idea to use half and half because it's a little too thick for this particular dish. Now I used about a cup and a half of milk. What I'm going to do is I've got my oven preheated to 350 and I'm going to watch it, and if it starts to boil over, I'll put something underneath it. If it gets too brown, I'll put a piece of aluminum foil over, but right now it just needs to go in like it is. And it'll be about 45 minutes and then we'll be ready. Oh, look how pretty. I believe I better get it out. Well, I just took it out of the oven, and as you see, it's beautiful. Let's see. I noticed that the ham floated to the top. It's so good. The ham gives it such a smoky flavor. I didn't realize it would. Well, we've had a good day again. I hope you enjoy your scallops. Remember the joy. We'll see you soon.